In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. This outer sphere is used to block the environment light, and I have a ground plane. I have created the outer sphere and the ground plane like this. The base mesh was created by using 3 scaled spheres. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. In edit mode, I randomly selected the faces and deleted them. That was the outer sphere, and for the sphere in the middle, I added a wireframe modifier. For the inner sphere, I went into its edit mode, randomly selected the faces, and removed the selected faces. I'll show you the material details. The outer sphere has a random color node applied with light RGB colors. The material is half transparent, so we can see through. The inner sphere mesh needs to have the same material except the RGB color needs to be darker. This is the wireframe mesh material. This is the inner sphere material. I used cycles to render the scene, and applied dark metallic material for the ground plane. Here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.